Hi everyone, welcome back to ADS. This week we have a V12 Ferrari, a V8 Audi, another V12 Ferrari, and a car I can't talk about. Welcome back to the workshop. We have 812 Superfast here. This has had the absolute works done to it. Top to bottom XPEL PPF. We've got Gyeon coatings on the wheels. We've got XPEL Fusion ceramic coating on the film. We've got the headlights wrapped, the carbon wrapped. The interior has been wrapped. It's been protected with ceramic coatings, with fabric and leather coatings. The backs of the seats have been done, exhausts, glass, everything. Absolutely everything's been done. So great job by the team. As always, it looks fantastic. Over here, we've got probably, or arguably, the best daily driver on the market. I'm gonna put it out there. I love a fast station wagon. Audi RS6, a little bit dirty at the moment. It's being worked on. Brandon's busy wrapping top to bottom, the whole car. XPEL Ultimate Plus, it's all computer cut as always. So we do quite a few of these. We've got a lot of Range Rovers, a lot of Audis on the Northern Beaches. So really nice to see these regularly. This is also getting interior paint protection film. So those piano blacks, we'll go and have a look. Really important to protect them, stop them from getting absolutely trashed by your watches and rings and the kids and someone throwing something at it in the car. We'll have a little look at what's in the front of the shop. Check this out, another V12 Ferrari. This one a little bit older, not a brand new, 1,000 horsepower, million gazillion torques. This is a V12 Ferrari, 550 Maranello to be exact, with a gated manual gearbox. How cool is that? Very unique, very beautiful Nero, which is black over tan, I believe you would say it. So thanks again to our customers for this particular car. Very nice and very special to work on. So this has had a mirage of XPEL paint protection film and Gyeon coatings and all sorts of shiny, wonderful things. Fully prepared for the client to come and grab it and drive it like they stole it. Or collect it and store it and put it under a cover, like a lot of these things are kept. But anyway, either which way it's protected. You can drag dirty covers over it all you like. Thanks for tuning in. It's a real pleasure to work on 1,000 Ferraris and everything in between. We love what we're doing at the moment. We are starting to book up all the way through to the end of financial year into August. I think we've got nearly 50 cars in our sort of job sheets. So if you guys have got cars coming and you know they're on the way, please feel free to book them in. Give us a call, drop a deposit. We can make a booking for you. Even if you know roughly when the car's coming, not exactly, we can book it in and take care of it. We can order materials and sit on those for you and really prepare for when the cars are ready and prepared to be delivered. So give us a yell. You've got our phone number, you've got our email, and if you don't, jump down the bottom of this video. There'll be a little link, you can have a look. Some more cool content dropping soon. So thanks so much for tuning in. Really appreciate all your support. Thank you very much. It means a lot. And I really look forward to bringing you next month's workshop update. Thanks guys. Have a great one.